Contemporary walk to today's video on my 2013 Triumph Explorer. I got some broken plastics on the right hand side that we're going to remove and swap out with some new ones. But this video is just about taking it apart and how to do it. Doesn't really matter where you start. In this video, I'm starting here. I'm going to remove that little plastic cover where the 12 volt accessory port is. You need to get that out of the way to get to the plastics on the side. There's quite a few screws to take apart, and it seems like a lot of work, but after you do it once, it really isn't. There's a rhyme and a reason to it. The only thing that's going to give you trouble is on that Triumph badge, which I had issues, but I've already bought new plastics because it was broken, so I did what I did to get it out. So now that that top piece is done, you got one screw up top and then two at the bottom, you can see. Those have to come out. So I'm going to start by taking off the top one. I'm going to tell you right now, pretty much everything to remove is a 5mm, if that helps you out. If you have a 5mm, you'll be good to go. All right, get my sausage fingers in there. Then there's two right there, and then two more on that side piece, because those have to come out too. So this is where I use the helmet cam, and it's not very good picture to show you, but at least you saw in the previous clips those two lower ones on the rad support. Those have to come out. I just got my sausage fingers in there, removing them. And then I got a ratchet doing those upper two. Once you bust them free, I just spin them out by hand. And then that whole piece will be ready to come out. I actually made the mistake and pulled the top piece out, and then the bottom piece fell out too, as you're going to see. So you want to be mindful of that. I didn't expect that to happen. I thought I just removed the top piece first, but everything popped out as in one, as you're going to see. So I'm removing the last bolt. That's from that middle section there. So I'm going to grab it. That just pulls out, and you can see the bottom one fell, and there you have it. Pick that up. Now we're almost done. Got to remove that underbody side bolt right there. Get that out of the way. Then there's only two more bolts holding the plastic on. One of them is where that clip attachment is. That one has to come off. That I'm pointing to. It's 5mm as well. Bust that free. Get that out of the way. And then the last bolt is behind the badge. So in this case, it's a T20, I believe. But the clips had broken, so all they would do is just spin. So I just took my cutter and I cut it. Like I said, these plastics are being replaced because they're broken. And then you got access to that last one right there. And then get my 5mm in there. Break it free. We're going to spin that out. And then boom, your plastics are going to come out. Watching this video, you're going to have it out within 10 minutes. There's a little clip at the front that it hangs on. Just slide it off the way, pull it out. Done.